welcome to today's video. We are doing a 2 looks 1 palette, but also a little get to know us. We have some questions in a little cup. We're gonna pull it out and we're gonna read the question and we're gonna answer.
Are we both gonna answer it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so before we jump into the video and you're chewing your feed,
make sure you subscribe to our channel.
And also you can find us on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and let's get into it.
Okay.
Alrighty, so let's apply our primer first. I'm using the Bobbi Brown face base.
I am using the No Poreblem by Touch and Soul.
Now these are questions that I just, found on the internet. So let's see what you say. What is the most annoying habit that other people have?
I'm gonna be honest. I'm not a people person sometimes. So there's a lot that people do. Oh my god. I don't know, you go first.
When people feel like they're entitled. So like a lot of people just feel like they should get everything handed to them for absolutely no reason. Like they didn't do any work to get it.
Oh
and
yeah.
I hate that. I hate that so much. Like being in the corporate world, I see so many people out of college and they're like, I want to be the next CEO. I deserve to be the next CEO. And it's like, you're not even fresh out of college.
I should get it because my parents said I was special.
I mean, yeah, that pisses me off too. I don't know. I guess when people try to like purposefully prove you wrong. I don't like this fucking question. I really don't. I can't pick a single one. I really can't. I'm sorry. I can't answer this question. I feel like I'm under pressure.
You are doing your makeup.
I know, but like, I just don't like a lot of things that people do. What is your favorite movie?
Oh, that's an easy one for me. Mine is Gone with the Wind.
Yeah, it is. Mine is, I would have to say The Crow.
Oh yeah, The Crow. Oh my god, we quote that movie all the freaking time.
Yeah.
My turn. Alright. Ooh. Are you always early or are you always late?
I'm barely ever late.
I'm always early.
I wouldn't have to say like I'm always super early, but if I had to pick between the two, I'm definitely always early.
Yeah, I'm always early. I always make it a point to, like if I have doctor's appointments or something, I am always extra early because I think it's my anxiety that gets in the way.
What personal trait has gotten you in the most trouble? Go ahead.
No, you go.
My mouth.
That's not a personal trait.
My mouth and my big mouth. And my non-caring attitude.
Or how about the fact that you don't have a filter?
Okay, fine.
The personal trait that's got me in a lot of trouble. Is it like good trouble or bad trouble? Because I would say sometimes...
Good trouble or bad... Good trouble or bad trouble?
Well, I would say that like, I don't know, I used to be really like the yes man. Like I would never say no.
I hate yes people.
Yeah, I would never say no because I was like, oh, well, I can do it. I'll be nice. And I don't know, it kind of got me like, I don't know if it's trouble per se. You know what I mean? But I would say it's a bad personality trait to have because it would be like no confidence.
True.
You know? So it didn't really get me in trouble, but...
Yeah, and in the business world, you can't have a yes attitude.
No, you gotta, like, you want to help people, but you also need to, like, learn when to say no.
Yeah. And
be okay with it. Woo. So who is your favorite beauty guru or makeup personality? Who is your favorite beauty guru or makeup personality? So, I don't know. I really like to watch... I don't know, I really like Raw Beauty Kirsty. I have gotten into her videos a lot lately.
Yeah, she's good. She's funny.
Yeah, she's hilarious. But my all-time, like, I get so excited when I see a Jaclyn Hill video. come on. Because she was like the first person that I started watching on YouTube. So I think, like, I don't know, she kind of holds a special place in my heart.
Alright, so truth be told, a while back I loved Jeffree Star. And I still watch him when he puts videos out. But I do not really watch beauty videos anymore.
Yeah, you know what's actually pretty good that doesn't do it? Like, Raw Beauty Kirsty, she doesn't really do it. If she has a rant, she actually puts it in a separate video. Tati Westbrook.
Oh, I
like her a lot.
Yeah.
Like, she is a no bullshit. Like, she comes on and she does reviews and she doesn't sit there and go, wing, maybe this and...
Cats or dogs?
Well, where is it? Which one is it?
I love cats.
I am a cat person too. When we were growing up, oh my god, my mom hated us. So we had, and I know you guys are going to say this is gross, but we had like 8 cats in the house. And we always would find them on the streets. Like, the one time you brought 3 cats home. And you said, well, they were on the side of the street, Mom.
Well, but they were brothers and sisters.
But really, no. They were not on the side of the street. She found them on a farm because she saw free cats for sale. All right, so the next question that I have is, if you could only eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would that be? All right, so before we answer the question, we're going to get into our 2 Looks 1 palette. And we're using the Laura Lee Cats Pajama palette today. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to go in with Okie Dokie. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid.
Same.
Okay, so...
Same with a Morphe R40.
Sorry, this is a... I don't know what this is. This is a Morphe brush. So, I'm going to say... And I know I've been eating very healthy.
What's the question?
If you could only live with one meal, what would it be? Oh, pizza. Mine's got to be pizza all the way.
I mean, I could eat pizza every day of my life.
I could too.
But I also could eat hot dogs every day of my life.
Oh. Okay, guys. With the same brush, I'm going to mix the 2 colors, Bomb Diggity and Cray Cray, together. And I'm going to use that as my transition.
I'm just going to go in with Bomb Diggity and use it as my transition color.
So I'm just going to put that into my crease and go back and forth in windshield wiper motions. Ooh, mama, that's got a lot of pigment.
Name a product or service you love so much you'd happily be the company's spokesperson.
Oh my god. Okay. You go. Oh, so you go first.
Okay, hands down, Josie Maran. I love Josie Maran's products. Her makeup, her oil, everything. And next I'm gonna go in with Kooky. Right here.
I'm gonna say Morphe. I would say Morphe.
Really?
I have a lot of their products. I really like their products. I think they have good quality products. I'm going to take this Morphe E11 and I'm going to go into Oddball, which is the black. And I'm going to just put this, where's my mirror? Right at my lash line and kind of smoke it up a little bit. If you could only go with 3 products for rest of life, what would they be? 3 products. I'm all about skincare, so I gotta say, like, I have to take at least a hyaluronic acid.
I can't say that word. Hold on.
Say it. Hyaluronic.
Hyaluronic.
Oh my.
Alright.
Ooh, I gotta take a lip gloss. And I'm gonna say probably a mascara.
I'm definitely going to take my Josie Maran
Whipped.
No.
Oh,
I'm going to
just her
take
Argan
her,
oil?
not her Argan oil, I'm going to take her SPF. oil. I'm definitely gonna need my, I don't care which one it is, but my Josie Maran lip gloss. Probably my Tightline mascara.
Okay.
As a child, what did you wish to be when you grew up?
Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
Alright, well, I can tell you when I was a small child, I wanted to be a cashier lady.
Oh my.
Because
We used to be obsessed with the cashier buttons. Like the...
yeah, like the beep,
Yeah.
beep. But then I thought I would be a vet.
Okay.
I really wanted to be a vet, but then I don't like watching animals die, so I'll just watch people die.
Animals are more helpless.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna have to say, yeah, I do remember wanting to, like, be a cashier. What dreams we had. But then when I got to elementary school, oh my god, did I ever want to be a figure skater.
Oh, yeah, you did.
I was obsessed with it.
All right.
But I never took any lessons or anything. I never even said it out loud. It was just like a quiet dream of mine.
All right, I'm going to go into in one ear with my Morphe E17. I'm going to start in my inner corner and then go to the middle of my eyelid.
What's one food you cannot bring yourself to eat?
I'm going to have to say clams or mussels.
You can't bring yourself to eat them at all?
No, because one, I don't like seafood. Tried it, don't like it. But I have such a texture thing. Like shrimp even gets to me because it's like a little poppy in the mouth. But mussels or clams, like I won't even try it. I can't. Like I can't even bring myself to do it.
I'm pretty good about trying a lot of stuff. I'm not a seafood person either. But the food that nowadays I can't bring myself to eat, and you guys are gonna be surprised with this because the twins are freaking hot dogs.
Oh, I love hot dogs.
I hate hot dogs.
I just took a little bit of my setting spray on a brush and I'm going to go into redonkulous because it's redonkulous that you don't eat hot dogs.
It is not redonkulous.
I'm going to put this in like the inner corner. I'm going in with Cray Cray with my M408 brush, Morphe. And this is what I'm putting on my lower lash. Alright, and then I'm going to smoke it out with the same brush I use, my M578 with the kooky on it, because I just kind of want that color to lay it on there as well.
I didn't use any shimmers in this palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Scatterbrain, and I'm going to try to put that in my inner corner.
Last question. What is your favorite TV show?
Oh, I already know this one.
Yeah, I mean, hands down, Supernatural. Love me some Winchester Brothers.
So, all good things must come to an end. Oh, sorry. I'm putting Jeffree Star's Ice Cold on my eyebrow. My eyebrow. It's not my eyebrow. It's my freaking... What is this called up here?
Your lash line? No.
You're
You're highlighting your brow bone.
Thank you. Let's see. Oh my god. I would just like... I'm going to go on a rant right now. Okay. I had so many favorite shows on TV, and now I'm gonna go through this, and I'm gonna say I'm pissed. They canceled like every single show, but I watched The Mick. The Mick was freaking hilarious.
I heard they canceled that.
They canceled it. It was so freaking hilarious. I don't know why they canceled it. So then they cancel, not them, but they also canceled Last Man Standing. That show is
I heard that they did that.
Really funny. Now they canceled the reboot of Roseanne. So now here, for all of you that Andrew Lincoln might be leaving Walking Dead. And the show's dead. The show's dead. Literally. It's dead. They can't take him off. They already got rid of Carl. And spoiler alert. And it's like, well, if Ripley, they cannot bring him out. Anyway, I didn't know what my favorite show was. I mean, I don't have favorites. They keep taking him off. Oh, and they canceled, what else did they cancel? Wayward Pines. They canceled that.
I'm gonna go with my Ulta Beauty eyebrow pencil. I don't know if we're gonna do this off screen.
No, eyebrows are off screen. We'll be back. Alright guys, so we went off camera. We did our eyebrows, our mascara, and setting spray, whatever.
Everything else.
Yeah. So as you can see with our eyes, with the Laura Lee Cats Pajamas, I went with a more surprising look today. A natural matte look.
Mm-hmm.
So,
and I went with more of a
everyday.
yeah, one of those everyday sexy sultry looks.
Yes. So we kind of went in the opposite direction as usual.
Mm-hmm.
I used all the mattes, used a lot of the shimmers and mattes, but I liked it. This is my first time using this palette, and I think that she did a pretty good job with the colors and the pigmentation. I would use it again.
Mm-hmm.
Probably other looks that you could come up with. Thank you for listening to us answer questions about ourselves, and we hope that you enjoyed it and got to know us a little bit better.
Yeah, I thought it was fun.
Yeah.
If you want another one of these, I'm sure we can think of more questions to add to the pot. So just comment down below and
We'll make it happen.
Yeah.
That's it for today. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Hey! When we turn the